Chashma Sahibi. Chashma Sahibas manch ye Mata Rup Bawani yetnas yet kormuchu. Mata Rup Bawani yetnas kormutan mara ye Mata Rup Bawani yetnas kormutan tapasya temch meditation yet karmas. Tami khatir chi pari mehalas bron kenathan. Ye choto wuchan ye pari mehal just pari mehalas bron kenathan chi bad asal. Given the cheapness but traced first class is Chashma Sahibi. So the Vasan to Yichi at Nasan Mata Rup Bawani Hundan meditation center of Mata Rup Bawani many hundreds of years back. This place, very pious place, very divine place, and just see, ladies and gentlemen, full of tranquility, full of breeze, full of beauty, and full of religiosity. You know. So many things at the same time. But that is the beauty of life here. That is the beauty of, you know, as if the God himself is here. This is a blessed place. Kya mara? Huh? Blessed place. You can rightly say this is a blessed place. Mata Rup Bawani Asthapan. Great. God bless. God bless. So Mata Shri Alakh Sabha Trust registered Mata Rup Bawani that has been made.